Hi, Peter here. This is the Lynx Smart BMS. It's rated for 500 amps for use with the Victron Smart lithium batteries, up to 5 strings of batteries, up to 48 volts DC. It's part of the Lynx distribution system, and so the interconnecting parts join together. So this is a fuse block that would go with it. It's 3 components in one. There is a contactor, which is basically an on-off switch that can be activated remotely. There is a shunt part of the battery monitor, and of course it's the BMS itself, so it's connects to the lithium smart batteries and make sure that everything is all right and can activate a shutdown if the battery condition is not acceptable.